and welcome back. You're with Lani and AJ today. Today, AJ will be doing an arts and craft with pine cones that we found at the park. AJ will be painting the pine cones with his hand. He will be rolling the pine cones just like this. And before we get started, we are going to have a smoothie.
Cut me up like a knife and I feel it deep in my bones.
It's a green. What is this? A smoothie or juice?
It's green.
It's green what? Green smoothie or juice?
Green. Green.
Green?
Green.
You like the green juice?
Yeah. Mommy. Shoes.
Shoes, show me shoes. Do it up here. Do it up here. Let me see you do it. Let me see you do it.
Shoes.
Shoes?
Shoes.
Do it up here. They can't see you. Say shoes?
Shoes.
How you say more? Show me more. More. Good. How you show me banana? Do it up here. Banana. Show me apple. Apple. Show me eat. Eat. Show me milk. Let me see. Say milk. Show me book. Book. Can't see you. A book. Book. Show me car. Show me airplane. Show me stop it. Show me stop it up here. You gotta do it up here. They can't see you. Good. Stop it. Show me enough. You gotta do it up here. Up here. Show me enough. 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 Show me daddy. Show me mommy. Show me granddad. Granddad. Show me grandma. Grandma. All right. So right now we have white paint, yellow paint. I just picked any paint, and 2 pine cones that I recently just got at the park with AJ. We was playing golf. We was doing kickball with it. We was doing a lot of stuff, and we decided to bring it home so we can paint.
What? You doing this for the camera? Hey, camera. Hi. Hi, people. What? Boy, you're an actor. He's an actor. Huh? Can I get a kiss? One kiss. Mwah.
You ready to
Really?
paint, AJ?
Okay. Bye-bye.
You ready to paint? You want to give him the paint?
Here's the paint. Here.
Squeeze it on the paper. You got it? Let me see.
Did you eat this?
Here. You can talk.
What happened?
Squeeze. There you go. You put your hands like this and roll the pine cone. It's okay. You can stamp with the pine cone. You want to stamp it? You want to stamp the pine cone? See that? Look. Here. You stamp it. tapping the pine cone. How does the pine cone feel?
It's round.
It's what?
It's round.
It's round. The pine cone is round?
The pineapple is round.
The pine cone is brown. Yes, it's brown. How does it feel? Does it feel soft? It feel prickly? How does it feel? Use your words. How does it feel? Mommy hands too.
I can too.
Mm-hmm. How does it feel? Look at the colors. What colors you have on your hair?
It's yellow.
It's yellow.
Color.
It's yellow.
Yellow. What color?
It's yellow.
It's yellow.
Mm-hmm.
Apple yellow. What color?
I see yellow and white.
Yellow and white.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, there's yellow and white.
Yellow and white. Where did we get the pine cones from, AJ? You remember? Where did we get the pine cones?
Oh, there.
Out there? Out where?
What color?
It's yellow. We got the pine cone at the park.
The park.
Where does the pine cone come from? It comes from the trees, and we got the pine cones at the park.
At the park.
Yes. Do you remember what we did at the park with the pine cones?
What color?
It's yellow.
Yellow.
Yes. Do you remember what we did with the pine cone? We kicked the pine cone,
I get the pine cone.
and then we did baseball with pine cone.
Baseball pine cone.
And then we did golfing with pine cones.
Golfing pine cone.
Yes. Did you have fun at the park?
I found on the park.
Did you?
Yeah.
Yes. Thank you for watching us for today with our mini lesson plan painting with pine cones. And if you haven't done so already, please turn on your notifications so you can be updated on our latest video. Please like and subscribe and comment below. And just say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Look. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye. See you soon.
See you soon.